So in this question, it says, everyone look here. Shh. Gina is buying 24 oranges. Okay, I want you to underline the words that I'm underlining as we go through this. Two stores offer the following deals. So store A offers 12 oranges for $6.48, and then store B offers 5 oranges for $2.65. But she can buy the oranges individually, so she can buy one orange, right? How much will she save if she buys 24 oranges at store B? Show your work. Okay, when you see show your work in eqao, you have to show every single step that you're doing. Anything you type in on your calculator, you must put on this piece of paper. So we're going to figure out how much it costs for one orange, because then we can compare the price. Store A is 12 oranges for $6.48, but then store B is 5 oranges for $2.65. It's hard to compare when you're not looking at the same unit. Okay, so we want to find remember we did this at the beginning of the year? Unit rate or unit price. So we're trying to figure out the unit price, the cost for one. Okay, so we're going to start with store A. Store A. Okay, and if it's $6.48 for 12 oranges, how would you calculate the cost for one orange? What's wrong? That's fine. Yep, so give them 2 check marks for that. Okay, so now we're going to look at store B. Store B is $2.65 for 5 oranges. So how are we going to calculate how much it costs for one orange? What are we going to do for store B to find the unit price, the unit cost? Take the cost and divide it by 5. What do we get? 53 cents per orange. Is that what everyone got? Now that we found the price per unit for one orange, okay, store A and store B, just by looking at that information, which store sells oranges cheaper?
Store B.
Store B is cheaper, okay? And the question said, they gave you a clue in the question. It said, how much will she save if she buys them from store B? So we know that store B is going to be cheaper. There's going to be a savings. But we want to know, how much will she save if she buys 24 oranges? Not one. You save a penny for one. So we know the cost for one orange, but we want to know how much will she save if she buys 24 oranges. So what are we going to do to calculate the cost for 24? Yes? Okay, so we're going to multiply this cost by 24, and then we're going to multiply the store B cost by 24, because this is the price for one orange. 24 oranges is going to cost more. It's going to get larger. So what's 54 cents times 24? Somebody. Store A will cost $12.96 for 24 oranges. How much will it cost at store B for 24 oranges? Yes?
$12.72.
$12.30.
72.
Oh, 72 cents. Thank you. Let me erase that. $12.72. Okay, and we can still see that store B is cheaper. This is less than $12.96. But the question said, how much will she save? To calculate her savings now, what operation would we do? What calculation are we going to make to calculate how much she's going to save? Okay, so now we're going to subtract. I'll do it up here. $12.96, which is the cost of the 24 oranges from store A. Shh. Okay, I can't. Okay, and then we're going to take the cost from store B, which is $12.72. And I want to know how much she saved, so we're going to subtract. What's the difference between those two amounts? Yes? 24 cents. So how much will she save? Gina will save
Miss, what did you subtract?
24 cents. We're subtracting the total cost of 24 oranges from store A, and then we're taking away the total cost of the 12 oranges from store B, and there's a difference of 24 cents.